Hello everyone. So friends, in our previous lecture we saw about the iterator return type. So in this lecture we'll see that how we can return a stream type for our dynamic test. So here we'll simply copy this method. We change the test name as dynamic test from stream, and here instead of iterator we can provide a stream. We'll import the stream from java.util.stream. And also friends, here what we can do is, as this is a collection, so with Java every collection has the stream method which returns a stream of whatever type the collection is holding. So if I run the test case now, so here you can see the test case got executed successfully. So friend, in this lecture we saw how we can return a stream of dynamic test from our test factory. I hope you like this video. Thanks, have a nice day.